Hey guys, it's your girl Isa Hafsat Hunting, and I'm here to give you guys a behind the scenes of how I did this Ojo Iwaju short animation clip. It's actually Yoruba, which means future, and I'm not Yoruba, so I don't know if I pronounced that very well. And I had the help with this amazing three dimensional app called Mental Canvas, and I don't know, it's next level. I want to use this whole video to show you guys how to use the app. I think the 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 app has its own YouTube channel. You guys could go check it out and know how to use the app individually. But I'm just pretty much going to show you guys how I edited the whole video um piece by piece. And yeah, I mean, all you have to do is just learn how to use the app, and pretty much everything will be normal and nice and not as complicated. Because I know a lot of you, when you guys saw it, you were like, oh my god, this girl has gone next level. Yeah, I have. It's all about upgrading yourself. And we have this new AI art that is all over the internet. And I don't know, my own personal opinion about that is, you know, we should all upgrade ourselves, we should all upgrade our skills. Now we have an app that can do this wonderful thing that we used to base our whole career on. And now, you know, it's uh, an app can just do that in matter of seconds. And um I think we as artists should upgrade ourselves and start learning. And like, there's no way an AI can do something like this. You have to be your own imaginative machine. And I don't think AI can reach to that technology where they can do something like this. You have to have your own imaginative perspective of a lot of things like this. Now I had to like create I had to imagine a lot of backgrounds of each app. Like, I had to take it step by step. And if you watch my previous videos, you have to see I had to go one by one drawing each character. Because I had something in my head that I wanted to put there. So I don't know, I don't think an AI can do that. But I personally think we should upgrade our skills. That's my own opinion. Because this AI is not going anywhere soon. So anyway, I used Medibank Paint to do most of my first art pieces, even with the lettering and you know and most of the drawings. And then used I got my reference from this Kona um comic series. I mean, it had a lot of war and fighting scenes. So I have I personally have a hard time imagining some poses. So I just reference most of my work from here. And then I got the fight war sound in the background from this amazing Zack Snyder movie 300. It's an iconic movie. People underrate this movie, but I love it. It's my favorite. Then the background music in the video is this retreat song Jikele Mawini by Maria Makeba. Um it's quite ironic. Most South African songs sound so wonderful, but when you hear the meaning of those songs, you tend to wonder. But I love this song. It's wonderful. It's actually the reason why the first time, I won't say the first time, but just listening to this song gave me the whole idea for the whole video. And I was like, okay, this is going to be the background song. Um, but anyway, I'm a fan from all kinds of music, so this was just it. And yeah. So the app which I used to edit this very video and the video, for the whole soundtrack and whatever, was this, and in short, it's an Android app. You can, you know, check it out. It's something. It's quite easy once you get the hang of it. Like, trust the app. It's nice. It's easy to just use. Yeah. And back to the whole AI stuff. I personally think um, we should improve our skills instead of just relying on one way of getting profit. I mean, yeah, we should do what the customers want, but at the same time, we should also be creative. We are artists, for goodness sake. We create, and hopefully, we get people who find interest in our work, and we keep practicing. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.